Yo mga katekno, ito yung unboxing at first expression ko sa Poco M4 Pro. Bali, full review ko pa to. Kaya kung di ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, sampalin mo na yung subscribe button at pakikulangot na rin yung bell icon. Ang original price nito sa 464 is 11,990 at sa 6128 naman 12,990. Pero sa November 11 to 12 sa Shopee, may early bird sila. Sa 4GB of RAM na variant, meron silang 10,990. Sa 6GB of variant naman, 11,990. Kaya check nyo lang yung link sa description. Maglalagay ako ng link dyan. At mamaya, sasabihin ko sa inyo kung makatarungan ba yung price nito. Kaya panoorin nyo to hanggang dulo. Bali, ito yung mga highlights ng Poco M4 Pro. Meron siyang 90Hz refresh rate with 200Hz sampling rate. At 5,000 mAh na battery na naka MediaTek Dimensity 810 na gumanda at bumilis yung MediaTek kumpara mo sa dati. At nagustuhan ko yung design nito, lalo na yung placement ng camera. Bali, ang makukuha nyo kasama sa box, meron pa rin tayong Poco stickers, Type-C cable, at 33 watts fast charger. No doubt naman talaga na mabilis tong 33 watts na to. At combination yung cable at charger niya. Dahil kapag iba yung gagamitin mong cable, hindi lalabas yung Mi Turbo Charging. Kaya ingatan nyo yung cable na to. Bali, may orange accent color dyan para sa palatandaan nyo sa cable na to. Then yung kasama pa rin sa box yung manual, safety information card, tapos warranty card. May kasama rin tong free jelly case at SIM ejector pin na lagi akong nawawala. Actually, marami akong ganito kaso wala na akong makita kahit isa. Di ko alam kung sinong kumakain nito. Sa design naman, masabi ko na ito yung pinakamagandang design ng Poco para sa akin. Although plastic yung materials niya sa back, maganda pa rin yung kulay, lalo na tong power black na color na to. At may pagka matte finish yung color niya. Hindi siya madulas hawakan, unlike sa previous na Poco M3 Pro. At napansin ko dito, may 5 bilog dyan. Actually, 2 lang yung camera dyan. Yung main camera na 50 megapixel, tapos yung isa dyan is 8 megapixel ultra wide camera. Yung isang bilog dyan, yun yung flash. Tapos yung red at AI design, actually yung bilog na yan, design lang yung mga yan. Kaya huwag kayong malito. Pero nagustuhan ko pa rin yung design na texture ng phone na to. Lalo na yung pagka-matte finish niya. Hindi siya masyadong fingerprint magnet. Sa top naman, meron tayong IR blaster for remote control ng mga appliances nyo. At sana hindi na mawawala to dahil malaking tulong sa atin to. At may speaker dyan tapos yung microphone. Sa baba naman may speaker lit tayo tapos Type-C port, microphone, at meron tayong headphone jack. Actually, maganda talaga pag may headphone jack kaysa wala. At least may choice kayo, diba? Kung wired o Bluetooth yung gagamitin mo, kaysa sa ibang phone, wala ng headphone jack. Buti dito, meron pa rin. Then, sa side, yung SIM card tray na pwede mong lagyan ng micro SD card. At expandable siya to 1TB of storage na sobrang laki. Yung iba kahit flagship, wala ng expandable storage na 1TB. Dito, expandable to 1TB na siya. Then, sa other side, may volume rocker pa rin tayo dyan, siyempre. Power button at pwede mo rin gawing na fingerprint scanner yung power button na yan. Sa display naman tayo, meron tayong 6.6 inches IPS LCD display na masasabi ko na maganda yung pagka-IPS nila compare mo sa dati. Dati nagkukulangan ako ng kulay sa IPS pero dito sa mga bagong IPS, sobrang ganda ng IPS nila. So, ang laki ng mga improvement ngayon sa bagong IPS. Sobrang ganda at saturated yung mga kulay. Compare mo sa dati na nagkukulangan talaga ako ng kulay. Pero dito ang ganda talaga. Sobrang ganda ng display talaga. Then, meron tong 90Hz refresh rate for better scrolling. At smooth naman talaga to. Sa previous na Poco M3 Pro, medyo nagluluko yung 90Hz refresh rate doon. Sana dito maging stable yung 90Hz refresh rate niya. At siguro mapipix naman siguro pagdating ng araw sa mga bagong update din. Better kapag may problema kayo sa mga phone nyo, may report naman dyan at submit nyo lang yung mga feedback nyo sa mga bugs na naranasan nyo sa mga Poco phones nyo. Then, sakto lang yung mga bezels niya. At yung butas dyan sa camera, medyo malaki siya. Parang size siya ng Poco X3 Pro, which is normal naman sa mga gatong price point. At naka-Corning Gorilla Glass 3 siya, which is alam natin na hindi latest yung protection nito. Pero matibay pa rin itong protection na to. Pero payo ko, lagyan nyo pa rin ng tempered glass yung phone nyo o kahit anong phone for extra protection na rin. At meron siyang dual speaker pero hindi siya ganun kalakas para sa akin. Sakto lang. Siguro pwede pang maayos sa next update to. Lagyan ng konting tweaks sa sounds para lumakas. I hope na magawan ng paraan to sa next update. Sa main camera, meron tayong 50 megapixel main camera, tapos may 8 megapixel ultra wide tayo dyan. Tapos sa front facing camera, meron tayong 16 megapixel front facing camera. At masabi ko na maganda yung camera nito. Malinaw yung mga shot at wala kang mapapansin na noise. Merong mga noise sa low light condition which is normal naman kahit naka DSLR ka pa. So sa full review, i-detail ko yung camera nito. As in, maganda talaga yung camera nito. Mas maganda pa sa jowa mo. Sa processor, meron tayong MediaTek Dimensity 810 na hindi masyadong mainit sa games at power efficient tong chipset na to. Tapos meron siyang 240Hz sampling rate for better touch response lalo sa gaming. Kayang-kaya nyo yung Genshin Impact, Asphalt 9 at Call of Duty Mobile. Sa Mobile Legends, wala pa tayong ultra graphics pero someday magkakaroon naman to sigurado. Smooth naman yung playing sa Mobile Legends.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
Meron tong 5,000 mAh na battery. Sa full review ko, pag-usapan natin tong capacity ng battery niya, kung ilang oras talaga siyang full charge gamit yung charger niya. So, recommended ko ba to? Yes, recommended ko siya dahil sa processor niya na mabilis tapos stable lang siya. Then yung camera niya, malinaw talaga compare mo sa ibang 64 na megapixel na camera. Pero dito, kahit 50 megapixel lang siya, clarity naman yung image. Tapos, maganda na rin yung display nito, kahit IPS lang siya, sobrang ganda talaga. Kumpara mo sa mga dating IPS. Habol kayo sa 1111 sales, maglalagay ako ng link sa description. Mag-gay tayo sa mga next videos natin at paki-follow up na rin yung FB page natin. Thank you for watching. This Paul Tech TV.
Will you find me? Hope you find me. I'll be back home soon. When the sun rises.